Hey guys, it's Andy here. Just gonna do a really quick video. I should have done it a week ago or more, but things happen, unfortunately. So, anyways, for those Chinese Bluetooth BMSs, so you see there's the app. I'll link the app in the description, but you have to install it via an APK. It's a special file. It's not on the Google Play Store. The one on the Google Play Store does not work properly. So, look, highest voltage 4 volts. Fifth serial. Oh, nice. It even tells you which cell. Lowest is the third. And they're only off by 0.03. Very good. This is what you have to do first is link them. There. So you see I've already linked mine. It's very quick. It just works with this specific APK file. It just links immediately. The Google Play Store, it doesn't work. So once it's linked, you can see you can unlink it. But you'll just have this screen here, and then bottom right is the data logs. You can press this bottom middle, and it'll just give you a quick overview, max and mins. There's a bit of a story behind this app. It was developed by some random guy, but that doesn't really matter. You can look that up. Maybe I'll post it in the description. It's a bit of a read from that guy. Alright, so dashboard is the main. Top right is the main menu. Battery states. I like this. See, shows you. That might be best. So yeah, it gives you all the information, and protection information, and all my settings. Let's see what this is. Normal capacity 244 amp hours, but I don't think I've ever fully cycled this, so it's probably just reading the max and mins that I've ever let it go to. Let's see, settings. So these are my settings. If you have the exact same kind of setup, I've found these are very safe settings. I'm going conservative. If I wanted to go really conservative, I'd go to 4 volts. Over voltage release, 4 volts. So I'd drop all the numbers by 0.1. Under voltage, 2.8. See, I'm being extremely conservative with this. The under voltage, I could probably jump that up a bit higher. But I don't remember the specifics of all these, but these were the settings I decided on in case you want them. So you see 4, turn on balancing at 4 volts, balancing precision 0.03. These bottom numbers, hardwire over current and hardwire short circuit, can't really do much with it. Once you change the settings, you can change the settings whatever you want. See, it's just a number, and then you hit submit, and no issues. I've never had any issue with this specific app. It was specially redesigned for a specific Chinese company, I believe. But the creator of this, who named it, he developed it originally for a friend of his for his e-bike, and then Chinese companies just kind of grabbed it, and one of them retooled it. Hopefully they paid the original creator. But anyways, so yeah, that's the then you press back once more, it exits. Anyways, that's the app, no issues. It's been running great. My new Bluetooth BMS that I ordered never came in, and that's the primary reason why I haven't made this video yet. I should have made it technically a month ago. Nothing's come in, so that's frustrating. I waited over 2 weeks extra past the shipping date, and nothing at all, so it's very unfortunate. I mean, I can't do anything about it, right? I can just ask for my money back, and I'll probably get it back. I've never not. It looks like there's snow, because you see the wattage will go up and then it'll crash again. I'm pretty sure there's snow on the roof. Maybe I'll go up there quickly. I don't feel like falling off a roof, though. But maybe we will, why not? really cold out. So you see, no issues at all. I haven't had a single issue. The new wall is, ready to be soldered. I just, maybe I'll do it in January. Christmas time is, I'm redoing all my cells, so these ones are all bad. They're like completely bad. All these are good. I recharge them fully up, and then I'm starting to do NOR testing. If you can see, some of them are really bad. Like this one only has like 800 milliamp hours, so it's unfortunate. But I still have to retest all these, all those. I don't know what to do about these ones. I don't know what to do about this. I don't know what to do about this. All these. All these. Oh, I should fix that. I don't want anything shorting out. And are there more? All these, Jesus, boxes, boxes. And then all these. Oh my god. Oh yeah, another fun thing. So I've been doing a few little projects. I don't have them with me here anymore. I bought this thing for my daughter. And I took it apart. The battery, pretty good. See, look, the battery in it. So it said that there was 1800 milliamp hours. The battery actually had 2200. Surprising for $4, but I took it apart. Not bad. Took it apart. Pretty simple. I'm gonna put a slightly better battery in there. I don't want to waste a good battery, so I've been trying to find one. Where is it? There are these four candidates. 2000. Actually, this is the only one. So this is the winner. This is the winner. The wiener. All right. So anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna put this guy in there and then glue it back together. I got these Christmas lights. They actually work off 18650s just fine. Alright, there we go. I got it. So it's pretty simple and just alligator clips. But yeah, you can use 18650s instead of two AA's. No issue. The lights aren't overly bright. They're not being damaged by the slightly higher voltage, right? Because it's it's these silly things. So it's 1.7 plus 1.7, that equals 3 point something, right? Who cares? Anyways, I'd love to build a chaser circuit. I've got more stuff. So yeah, I did that. I modified a bunch of remote control cars. That was pretty fun. I'll just put the pictures in right here quickly. But yeah, I modified two. One was a Jeep that you'll see pictures, and then one of a car for my daughter, and then for my nephew. So they really enjoyed it. It was lots of fun, and I'd like to do something with these Christmas lights, do another one. So look what I got. I posted it on the Facebook group, but oh yeah, I've got this keyboard. I'll show you this quick. So what's wrong with this keyboard is this ribbon cable and this other one, they're damaged inside just barely, so there's intermittent connection. I've done enough testing. It's definitely the ribbon, so I have to replace the two ribbons, which I'm not looking forward to, because I might just do see, it's all these solder joints I'd have to redo. So what I think I'll do individual wires. I do have some ribbon cable up here somewhere. I'm really glad that I'm a hoarder and I keep old electronic stuff, because I could just get another ribbon cable and then just chop it up. I've done that once before a long time ago. It's more than doable. But anyways, oh yeah, I paid it's pretty good keyboard. It's old, but it works great. Right? It's one of these. It even has programmable songs. Just for teaching my daughter piano. Right? So that's cool. And then I got this guy, and I got him for like $10. They sell for like between 80 and 300 bucks, depending on how old they are. But yeah, I posted this on the Facebook group. Brand new. No one. It was used once. They built this circuit, I guess, to make a number counter, right? So, and that's it. It comes with a huge book. Like, this is pretty awesome. I'm very excited. Look at this, like 300 circuits. So maybe I'll make a few videos. Just doing this. It's pretty fun. Like, look at this. I wish I had this thing, 20 years ago. Like when I was a kid. I really wish I had owned one of these when I was a kid. Would have been an amazing investment. But, other things transpired, unfortunately. But yeah, it's pretty amazing, and it comes with a lot of circuit board. I don't want to take it out because it falls all over the place. But anyways, I wanted to show you that. It's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. I guess I'll go outside and clear off the snow. But yeah, it's pretty exciting. I should turn this off and disconnect it so it doesn't burn down the place. Quick note, I actually did almost burn down the house. This thing somehow short-circuited after I went outside and cleared the snow off. It drained it all the way to almost 0 volts, so I think this cell is now completely ruined. You see that it's at 1.5 volts. I don't know why it short-circuited. There's no heat on this board, so maybe these alligator clips touched each other when I walked away from it. So yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just working through all these again, rechecking them, right? They sit long enough, and if any of them are below 4 volts, I just put them in this pile. If they're more specifically, if they're below 3.8 volts, I don't keep them because especially with these low milliamp hours, they're almost completely useless. I have no clue what to do with this unit. It's just so sketchy, you know? But whatever. I do regret building it. I especially regret building this unit. I really regret building it because I haven't done a single thing with it. I just don't trust it. Seems like a big fire hazard. But yeah, everything else is running great still. Like, nothing really to report on. I really wish that other BMS had shown up, and I'm gonna have to file for reimbursement because it never showed up, and that's very frustrating. I think I have to buy more gun wire. But yeah, those are some things I've been working on. Okay, well, sure as shit the solar panels are covered. I should have grabbed the broom. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna just clean them off quickly and then we'll see what kind of output we can get. But yeah, that's basically what's going on. I mean, my setup isn't perfect, so I'm not surprised at all, but or at least it's easy to get up on the roof for me. Not very dangerous. They're cleaned up now. Alright, look at that. 150 watts now. Jeez. Awesome, eh? Too bad I don't have a little robot that constantly cleans the solar panels. But I only have one solar panel connected because the junction connector that I ordered, apparently it's here. So maybe I'll get it today and I can hook it up. That'd be nice. And then I can finally see 300 watt output. Alright, I hope you guys have a great Christmas. I'll try to make a few more videos, but it's a busy year, you know. Everything, the way things are going, not very fun. So I hope all of you are doing great, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Alright, see ya.